guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing the CloeCouture hair and makeup, and then it's comparing to the like for when she wears a white dress for her birthday. Like her hair is like loose waves, and by the way, I did mine differently compared to hers. Oh, and yesterday I painted my nails like and add like a little polka dotty on it. They look so gorgeous and beautiful. I kind of like to have like do a nail art. I will do a nail tutorial soon, and yeah, I'm so excited. Leave a comment down below, and yeah, let's jump right into the video.
Take my Too Faced foundation in the shade called Snow, and I'm going to be applying this onto my skin and blend it in using my fingers, which make it easy to blend in. I take my Too Faced concealer and I apply this under my eyes, and I am rubbing it in with my ring fingers to get rid of any under eye circles or any blemishes that I have on my face. I take my Mary Kay pressed powder and then I just blend it all over my face and blend it down my neck a little bit. I take my eyeshadow insurance from Too Faced to prime our eyelids, and I'm just applying this onto my eyelids. Sometimes I use my fingers, but I'm just using this, and I rub it in using my ring fingers to make sure that the eyeshadow will be on forever and not fall out. Then I take my Chocolate Bonbons palette from Too Faced, and I'm taking the shade called Divinity as a base shade. Then I take, for the crease, I'm taking a shade called Mocha, and I am blending it into my crease. And then I take my smudger brush and blend it onto my lower lash line. And I take the shade called Cotton Candy, a pretty pink, and I'm using my fingers and apply it onto my eyelids to add a pink to it, and it smells like cotton candy. And I take the shade called Totally Fetch, and then I take the shade called Sprinkles and highlight my inner corner. Then I take my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara and I apply it onto my top and bottom lashes. Then after I apply mascara, then I take my Sweet Peach lipstick in Peach Sickle. It smells like peaches, by the way. Then I take my setting spray to make sure it will stay on forever. Alright girl, what we're going to do with this hair, I'm brushing it out to get rid of knots and tangles, and I take my Remington curling wire and spray heat cream spray and brush it out to distribute that. Then I take a section of hair and I just curl my hair away from my face, leaving it there for a few seconds and let it go into, I know it falls out, like it'll look nice. And then I just like sometimes I release it and land it into the palms of my hands. And really, and yeah, no worries, I'll stop talking in 5. And now I'm all composed and ready to make my move. I took her hand, so let's go steady. That's just the way I do. And it's the way that you walk by, it makes me go insane. And it's the way you catch my eye, it makes me wanna sing. So give me one shot, one On the hair, I just brush it out to make it loose. And then I take my Tresemme hairspray and hairspray on my hair to make sure it will be lasting all day and scrunching them up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Wingardium Leviosa. Ali, 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 Ali Baba, Prince Ali. A whole new world, a dazzling place you never knew. We'll be crystal clear. Oh, I'm in love with this t-shirt. I'm in love with this t-shirt, by the way.
Shout it from the rooftops. Or anyway.
Cyrus is my watch. Experian.
Pull the lever, Crunk. Wrong lever! Huh? Why do we even have that lever?
Is my Jafar new Disney Plus Avatar. And the reason why I did that because I got him the Ravensburger Disney Villainous puzzle. I will show you the collection of it soon.